Good morning, all of you. I am Sarada, English PGT from Gajpatinagaram, Vizianagaram district. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, reading comprehension. Okay. Reading comprehension. What is the meaning of the word comprehension? Means ability to understand completely according to the situations and facts. Can I repeat again? Comprehension means understand completely. Okay. Actually, what do you mean by comprehension in English language? Comprehension means a small passes or short passes. Comprehension means small passes or short passes. Why do we need to learn the comprehension? The reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is so important to learn and understand the English language. This is the main thing. If you know reading and understanding skill, wherever you go, it will be good. We can understand what they are saying, and also we will explain, we will respond immediately. Reading and understanding skill is not only in our subject, it will be useful. Reading and understanding is so useful in all subjects, not only in our English subject, in everywhere in the world. That's why English language it is called as a link language. It is connected to from one country to another country, from one place to another place. Even in our class, not only in English, in all subjects it will be useful. Even math, science, in everywhere. That's why very important. It is better to learn perfectly. We have to follow few steps to learn the reading comprehension. Okay, while we are doing the practice, first we have to read the whole passage once. Later we have to do skim the passage. What is the meaning of skimming? Okay, have you seen some? Actually, this is the process is happened while we are taking the layer from the milk. Okay. First we have to read the passage, whole passage. Later skim the passage. What is the meaning of the skimming here? Okay. The skimming is the process we are using to take out the layer from the milk. Okay. Actually the meaning of skimming is that we do with milk when we boil milk and the fat rises to the top in the form of cream. Okay. Removing that layer of the process is called skimming. Actually process is in the milk process, that is the skimming, but here instead of milk we have to image this is the passage is like a milk. We have to take out a layer from that passage. What is the layer here? What is the gist is there? Overall message, what is the overall message is there? We have to take by reading from that message. Okay, from that passage. Okay, when it comes to reading, skimming means to read the surface of the text quickly to understand an overall message. So, if there is a heading of title, anything is there. First we have to read the whole passage. We have to skim the passage. Third one is, next important activity. We have to read the first sentence of each paragraph. They will give you a good idea of the overall passage. The number of times we have discussed about that. Next we have to read the first sentence of the passage. It will give the main statement or main title or main meaning of the whole passage. Okay. While reading the passage, we have to underline the important points and important vocabulary. Okay. If you don't know the term keywords meanings, we have to, with the help of diction or dictionary, we have to find out and write it down. First we have to read the passage, whole passage. Later skim the passage. What is the meaning of the skimming here? Okay. The skimming is the process we are using to take out the layer from the milk. Okay. Actually the meaning of skimming is that we do with milk when we boil milk and the fat rises to the top in the form of cream. Okay. Removing that layer of the process is called skimming. Actually, process is the in the milk process, that is the skimming, but here the instead of milk we have to image this is the passes is like a milk. We have to take out a layer from that passes. What is the layer here? What is the gist is there? Overall message, what is the overall message is there? We have to take by reading from that message, okay, from that passes, okay. When it comes to reading, skimming means to read the surface of the text quickly to understand an overall message. So, if there is a heading of title, anything is there. While we are doing practice the passages, we have to read the whole passage, later underline the difficult or important vocabulary here. Okay. In this, have you read this passage, everyone? In this passage, pick out the difficult vocabulary. Okay. Can we read once, all of you? Read while I am reading. You have to join. You see paragraph on the screen and observe. You have to observe and read whole paragraph first. After reading this, you have to read the first sentence in paragraph. It will be visible, and which one is gives us to the meaning of whole passage. Try to understand the main thing of the main message of the paragraph by reading this sentence. Have you read, everyone? All right. So, what do you think the topic of the whole passage might be? Let us read the passage according to the paragraphs. Okay. The mind is superb, a superb instrument if you use it rightly, use it wrongly. However, it becomes destructive. To put it more accurately, it is not so much that you use your mind wrongly. You usually don't use it at all. It uses you. This is a disease. You believe that you are your mind. That is a delusion. The instrument has taken you over. Means mind is wonderful instrument. If we use it properly, it will be good. Okay. Now, if you are not using our mind properly, it will be destructive. Thoroughly we are listening, empty mind is a devil mind. If you are not using our mind full-fledgedly, then we are in hands of mind. So that means mind uses us. It is a disease. This we are believing mind is our property. No, this is a delusion. Means disorder only. Okay, this is that is not our property, but we have the controlling power by doing the different activities. Later we will discuss about this. This is not related to our passes. After reading the first paragraph, I have underlined the important points. What is the important point here? Mind is superb instrument. If you use it rightly, you use it wrongly. Okay, that is one of the important point. The mind is. After reading this first paragraph, I want to underline the important points. Okay, here important points are: the mind is a super instrument. If you use it rightly, use it wrongly, however it becomes destructive. Okay, this is one of the important point. Next one is there was given this is a disease. What is the disease here given? It is to put it more accurately, it is not so much that you use your mind wrongly. You usually don't use it at all. Okay, it uses you. This is a disease. This is I underlined. Next one is you believe that you are your mind. So our mind, we feel our mind is our property. This is our delusion. This is one of the important point. So I have underlined this. Okay. Next paragraph. Next, we go to the next paragraph. Let us read the next paragraph. Just because you solve a crossword puzzle or build an atom bomb does not mean that you use your mind. Thinking has become a disease. Just as dogs love to chew bones, the mind loves to get its teeth into problems. That's why it does crossword puzzles and builds atom bombs. You have no interest in either. Let me ask this. Can you be free of your mind when you want to do? Have you found the off button? Then the mind is using you. You are unconsciously identified with it. So you don't even know that you are its slave. Here, mind solve the crossword puzzles. Like that only, build the atom bombs also. Whatever things will happen with mind. Okay, the useful new inventions are creating by our mind only. Like that, destructive things also creating our mind only. Okay, this is the uses of depend on uses of mind. Here, as they given in the passes, here thinking has become a disease. Okay, like dog chews the bones. Yes, dog loves chew bones. Is it correct or not? Like that only our mind loves to get its teeth into the problems. Okay, that's why mind creates and solves the crossword puzzles and builds the atom bombs also. Here, until now we try to understand the whole passage. Okay, now we have to discuss the following questions to get answers. Next we have to read. First question, what is the instrument that is being talked about the passage? Here asked in this passage, we have compared which thing is compared with instrument. Okay, instrument, which one have you found? Okay, very good. So what is that answer? Mind. Mind is super instrument. Where it is? In the first passage, in the first sentence. Okay. Second one. According to the passage, how do we say that we use our mind? According to the passage, how do we say that we use our mind? So, according to the passage, how do we say that we use our mind? Okay. How do we use? In second passage, we have underlined the crossword puzzles and builds the atom bombs. Is it correct or not? So, answer is we solve a crossword puzzle or build an atom bomb and say we use our mind. Okay. Did you get it? Third one. Get your teeth into problems means. Get your teeth into problems means. So, get your teeth into problems. By our own, with empty mind, we are getting the problems. Means delusion. What is the meaning? Delusion.
Third answer, you like it because it is interesting. This is the third answer.
Delusion means false belief. False belief. False belief. Next one is, here, third question, get your teeth into problems means, what is that? Get your teeth into problems. By our own, we are getting some problems with our mind. What it is? Get your teeth into problems means, here given. Three choices are given here. A. Chewing the problem with teeth. B. You like it because it is interesting. C. Using the brain to chew the problems. What is that? A. Chewing the problem with teeth. B. You like it because it is interesting. C. Using the brain to chew the problems. What do you feel the answer? Yes, B. B is the answer. You like it because it is interesting. Next one, fourth one. Find out the word from passage which means false belief. False belief. Already we discussed in the vocabulary false belief. What is that? Delusion. Delusion means false belief. Last one. Write the noun form of destructive. Write the noun form of destructive. Destructive actually in which form it is there? Destructive is an adjective. It is an adjective. What is the noun form of destructive? Destruction. What is that? Destruction.